Those of us who are in their 20s, 30s, 40s, now we're the generation who was pretty much raised on highly processed food. And we know the first 1,000 days of life, I'm sure you as a pediatrician are really passionate about first 1,000 days of life as well, because we know studies show it's an extremely impactful time to the development of the brain, the immune system, and the gut microbiome. So those first 1,000 days of life include mom's pregnancy. And now we're seeing a generation of more moms pregnant who have IBS. And they're more likely to pass on their microbiome to their baby. In the first 2 years, we do know also that the World Health Organization, American Academy of Pediatrics, other organizations are recommending 0 added and refined sugars before the age of 2. In the first 1,000 days of life, people's microbiomes were offset. Maybe they took a lot of antibiotics in that time as well. Perhaps they had stressful childhoods or stressful developmental years, whether that is in the first 1,000 days or even several years after.